Alright guys, today is June 28th. I'm in the garage. It's time to work on the Galant. I'd like to do a huge shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you guys for the support. I know a lot of people are here watching different builds. If it's new subscribers for the Trailblazer, which videos will come of that, or if you're watching the Sentra, Integra, Galant videos, whatever it may be, thank you guys. I plan on continuing to bring some videos, but currently I'm having issues with the Galant overheating. Yes, it is 105 degrees. I have been needing to drive this off and on while the Integra is still working out its issues, which should hopefully be done very soon. But come to find out, right here, the fan, the zip ties, the oil cool zip ties, they're called something like that, they broke. If you guys remember, I bought some, let me turn on my light real quick. I bought some from eBay, and half of those in that package were broken. So, let me run inside. I'm gonna run inside and grab the ones I just bought from O'Reilly's. I went ahead and went to O'Reilly's and bought these guys, oil cooler zip ties. They're called something like that, or they could be known as that also. If you guys remember in the video of the Integra, I used those to put on the second fan on the Integra, which will be like a video or two before this one, or it is the video before it. I can't remember. But if you guys remember, I took off the original big radiator on this. This pusher fan was on the back side. So, pretty sure I'm saying it right. I'm going to try to see if I could zip tie this one back on the front side. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm even going to have enough room to really get in there. So, I don't know. I got to play with it. I got to look into this harness here on the original fan and see if I'm able to cut into that and wire the other one. But I'm going to take a quick second, get this off, and unplug this fan and take a look and see how it all is. And hopefully I can wire in two fans, and then I won't have an issue. I'm going to go ahead and take this apart. I don't think I'm going to record that. It's pretty straightforward. All you got to do is cut the back of that one that's still on there. Cut the back of that. And unplug it, and then it's out, and then I'm going to cut into that little harness there and see where my friend spliced it. So, let me go do that real quick. Okay, I removed the grill. That's the pusher fan. I removed the fan. This harness was for the coolant temp sensor and the downpipe. The wastegate, when it broke, it melted that plug wire. So that's that. This is the fan that came off. I know something was done here, so maybe it was wired in there. Pulled the grill off. Going to have to pull this bracket off so I could mount this fan inside there. But first, let's rip into that. was messing with the other fan, seeing how I would wire it up. I couldn't find the plug, so I'm just gonna skip out on it. Plus it would have been kind of hard to line up both fans in there. They would have overlapped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this sucker back in and be done with it. Maybe drive it tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see what day I want to drive it to test it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this sucker back in there. Alright, I got the fan installed. Again, I didn't go with the 2, I just went with the 1. Let's see. Goes the back side. Guys, I don't know if I'm putting the foam on the right spot. For whatever reason, I like it on this side. This kit only comes with 4 pieces, or else I would have put some on the front here. Would you rather put it on the front or the back? But on the front side, it's nicely pressed up against it. I put it closer to the left side of the radiator. So, yeah. And then I just zip tied the wire over here for now, out of the way. So it's all zip tied out. Hopefully you guys were able to see what I was doing. But if not, then I'll just have to cut out that clip. Let's go ahead and kick it over. I hear it, it's on. Alright. Well guys, that'll be the fix for the Galant. I just did the 2-step. When I was listening to the car earlier, when I turned it off, I could hear something squealing. Comes out, it's the turbo. But the fan's back on, the fan's fixed. I hope that doesn't mean it's a bad turbo. You guys let me know what you think. But as always, like, subscribe, share the video. I will get the cover piece back on and the intake back on. And yeah, that'll be it, guys. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, more videos to come. And that'll be it for this one, guys.